Peggy.
Josh, is that good? Is that a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Mmm. Oh, I see your sandwich. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Okay. Is that a good sandwich? Say yum, 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 yum. What do you got? You got food in your bib? Let's see. What do you got in there? Oh, you got your binky down there? You're such a good eater. No, don't put peanut butter in your hair, please.